Kausalya. School news. Dear parents and students, today we had a visitor to school, Archana Care, Soul Ninja working at Arith Benefit, founder of Stanford's sanitation campaigner from 7 years, started to campaigns on change organization, unlock Switch Bharat toilets on national highways and ensure clean and safe toilets for women, increase fund for government school toilet maintenance and bring back girl students to government school. On March 8th, Karnataka government announced 100 crore of government school toilet maintenance. This is the first time in Karnataka history. Received Web Wonder Woman from Ministry of Women and Child Development of India. Breaking news. Jammu and Kashmir statehood to be restored. PM Modi to share roadmap at June 24 all-party meeting report. World news. Afghanistan violence. Pakistan defends Taliban blames ISIS instead. COVID news. India sees less than 60,000 fresh COVID cases for first time in 81 days. General knowledge. The lemon is a small tree that is green even in the winter. It comes from Asia. Lemon is also the name of the tree's oval-shaped yellow fruit. The fruit is used for cooking and other things in the world, usually for its juice. Let's move to today's weather report. Today temperature is 22 degrees Celsius, feels like partly cloudy. Today wind is light. Today sunrise at 5:55 a.m. and today sunset at 6:46 p.m. Thank you, Bharat. Let's sign off. It's me, Kausalya from PADMASHREE Radio 20.5.